Looking for a reliable way to organize your workspace with two monitors? This dual monitor mount supports screens from 13 up to 30 and holds up to 22 pounds each, giving you the flexibility to fit most setups with VESA 75 by 75 mm or 100 by 100 mm mounting holes. It's designed to keep your screens secure while freeing up valuable desk space. What makes this mount stand out is its impressive articulation and height adjustment. Each arm tilts from +90 degrees to -90 degrees, swivels 180 degrees, and rotates a full 360 degrees. Plus, you can slide your monitors up or down along the center pole and switch between portrait or landscape orientation effortlessly. This kind of flexibility lets you customize your view for maximum comfort and productivity. Installation won't slow you down either. The mount uses detachable VESA bracket plates, making it easy to attach your monitors without hassle. All the necessary hardware comes included, along with clear, straightforward instructions that guide you through every step. Whether you're a pro or a first-timer, setting this up is smooth and quick. The mount secures firmly to your desk with a heavy-duty C-clamp that fits desks up to 3.25 inches thick. If you prefer, there's also an optional grommet mount for a cleaner look. Either way, the sturdy steel construction ensures your monitors stay put without wobbling or shifting, even during adjustments. One user praised the mount's solid build and easy adjustability, noting it was simple to assemble and stable once set up. They did mention a small quirk: the arms can sometimes lean slightly, causing one monitor to sit higher than the other. The fix? Twisting the plastic ring on the mounting pole to balance the height perfectly. A quick tweak that's worth knowing before you start. Backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty and responsive tech support, this mount offers peace of mind alongside its practical features. Whether you're upgrading your home office or streamlining your professional setup, it's a dependable choice that keeps your screens aligned and your desk clutter-free. If you're ready to improve your workspace with a versatile, durable dual monitor mount, this option is worth a look. It combines solid engineering with user-friendly design, so you get exactly what you need without extra fuss. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference in your daily workflow.